Hello, today my topic is about optical fiber fabrication. My name is Kaustubh Karmure and roll number 186-103. This is all content. What is optical fiber fabrication? Optical fiber is used to worldwide for transmission of voice data and content because of its ability to transmit at speed in excess of 10 gigabyte per second over a very long distance. This is a diagram of optical fiber. This is the outer layer of optical fiber is called outer jet or strange membrane member or coating, and this is cladding, and this is core. In this our information are transmit. There are four types of fiber based on material: glass fiber, plastic fibers, photonic fibers, crystal fibers. These are show that all our world the optical fiber is transmit the signal, or our internet are transmit with the help of this. First, plastic fibers. Plastic optical fiber are also called polymer optical fiber is an optical fiber which is made out of plastic. The properties of plastic optical fibers: first, plastic optical fiber standard is based on multi-level PAM modulation a frame structure. For telecommunication, the more difficult to use glass optical fiber is more common. Although the actual cost of the glass fiber are similar to the plastic fiber, and their install cost is much higher due to the special handling and installation technique required. This is the diagram of plastic optical fiber. This is a plastic optical standard fiber. This is a internal part of the plastic optical fiber. This is black part is called strain relief using aramide iron, and this is this signal core sheet, and this is plastic optical fiber. This is the outer sheet. Second, glass fibers. Glass is made by fusing mixture metal oxide, sulfides or selenite. The properties of the glass fiber: first, the glass fiber is a dimensionally stable engineering material. Glass fiber does not stretch or shrink after exposed to extremely high or low temperature. Second, glass fiber do not absorb moisture or change physically or chemically when exposed to water. This is a diagram of glass fiber. Are the outer part of the glass fiber made upon plastic and the internal part made by the glass. Third, photonic crystal fiber. Photonic crystal fiber is a new class of optical fiber based on the properties of photonic crystal. Third, photonic crystal fiber. Photonic crystal fiber is a new class of optical fiber based on the properties of photonic crystal. Properties of the photonic crystal fiber is now finding application in the fiber optic communication, fiber laser, nonlinear device, high power transmission, and photonic crystal fiber guiding light by conventional higher index core modified by the presence of air holes. First, a photonic crystal fiber, also called the Hawley fiber or microstructure fiber, is an optical fiber which obtains its wavelength property not from a specially varying glass composition but from the arrangement of very tiny closely spaced or air holes which go through the whole length of fiber. Second, there are two main classifications of photonic crystal fiber. First, index guiding photonic crystal fiber. Second, photonic bandgap fiber. Just a second. This is a diagram of photonic crystal fiber. The hole is called in the diagram we see the hole that is called core, and red color is the outer part of the photonic crystal fiber. The photonic crystal fiber fabrication. In the first figure we see creation of individual capillaries and B formation of the perform. Third, drawing of intermediate perform, and third and last drawing fourth and last drawing of final fiber. Types of fiber fabrication. Fiber fabrication of fiber capillaries. Second, perform stacking. Third, drawing perform in cane. Fourth, drawing cane into fiber. Are the procedure of fiber fabrication. First, fabrication of capillaries. Second, perform stacking. Drawing perform into can. Drawing can into fiber. Fiber fabrication. General fiber fabrication. Plasma activated chemical vapor deposition. Third, vapor phase axial deposition. Fourth, outside vapor phase oxidation. Fifth, modify chemical vapor deposition. Sixth, photonic crystal fiber fabrication. First, plasma activated chemical vapor deposition. A non-isothermal microwave Paloma operating at low pressure initiates the chemical reaction. Second, it's similar to MCVD. MCVD we learned in the next slide. Scientific at Philips Research invented PCVD, that means plasma activated chemical vapor deposition. And fourth, the capacity of this perform is about 30 km of fiber. Are the diagram of plasma activated chemical vapor deposition. We see silica tube reaction, that means the input and the burner. Translation, radio frequency coil. The yellow color lines, that means circle, is called radio frequency coil. and deposit glass layer, and a circle in the center is called the plasma. Vapor phase axial deposition. This method is similar to OVPO, and this method is having less pollution during the fabrication. R4 phase lay down, consolidation, drawing, laser are the equivalent of vapor phase axial deposition. First pulling machine, then motor, seed rod, transparent perform, vessel, ring heater, controller, porous perform, TV, glass practical, reaction chamber, and the thermoviewer, and last exhaust. And in the downside, torches. Outside vapor phase oxidation, that means OVPO. The perform, as mentioned above, is nothing more than an optical fiber but not much large scale. A layer of silicon oxide particle called a soot is deposited from a burner onto a rotating graphite or ceramic mineral. Third, drawing enables the manufacturer to obtain the fiber in the actual size desired. Are the diagram of OVPO. First shoot perform cross section. Second, first shoot deposition. Third, second shoot perform cross section. Third, perform centering, and last fiber drawing. Then modify chemical vapor deposition. This method is pioneer at Bell Laboratories. Second, it was widely adopted method to produce low loss grade index fiber. Third, first reacting gases flow through a rotating glass tube made from fused silica while a burner heat its narrow zone by traveling back and forth along the tube. SiO2, GeO2, and other doping combination from the soot that is deposited on the inner surface of target tube are the procedure of modified chemical deposition. What is the application of fiber optics? Communication system, electronics, sensor, medicine, and military. Recently, in 2021, Jio Reliance launched a new project connect the optical fiber to the Singapore and Middle Europe for the fast internet speed for the India through the Indian Ocean. This is a optical fiber, and this is a plastic optical fiber we learn, and this is core we learn in earlier slide fiber fabrication in this slide. In the military, the optical fiber are very used. We see in the motor the attach the wire of the optical fiber to the communication antenna and personal vehicle on the personal vehicle, and general communication station are also connect the communication antenna. In this through our Indian Army transfer the secret signal or any other military information to the optical fiber, because this is not leak in the optical fiber our information. So the optical fiber are used in the military in all our world. Thank you for watching my video.